guys, I'm gonna use my a Freak palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm using this burnt orange called Dakar. I think that's what it's called. Anyways, I'm gonna put a piece of tape by my eye. My eyelids are roll off too much. Anyways, put a piece of tape on my eye. Okay, now we're just gonna dip into the color and blend. Oh wait, not blend, but pack it. Well, wait, we're not packing it. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal and my brush. I'm gonna go grab my brush and be back, or I'll be back with my eye prime. Okay, I'm trying to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan. Trying to use it to do as my eyeshadow base to see if it makes the orange pop a little more. Did it? I don't know. Ooh, don't go on my face. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'll fix that after I'm done. We're gonna dip into that burnt orange. Let me just use my finger to pat it down a little. Now we're going into the burnt orange. This is the only color that I'm using, guys. The one and only color. This will make too much noise. Somebody just messaged me. Anyways, I need to get some in the corner. This video is gonna be so short because I'm using one color. Of the way orange and yellow looks on my skin, and I think this is like a pretty basic, when I say basic, I mean very basic, a pretty basic eyeshadow to do on, excuse me, a nice summer day. It doesn't even have to be orange, it can be any color, but just using one color, I think that is just pretty summery, and this orange screams summer to me. Now I think I am finished packing. I'm gonna make sure I don't have any patch. Okay, now that I'm finished packing, I'm gonna take the tape off and blend here. Blend out the harsh line just so I don't really have it. It's gonna be there, but not as much. Guys, I think that is it. Now I'm gonna go back, if this would come off of my finger. Now, where is that little brush? Now I'm gonna go back into the palette and take Kofi and highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. Go back in with that orange and do my lower lash line. Maybe this is what I should do. Anyways, that was my lower lash line. Now I'm going in my lower lash line. Okay, I think that's it. Hope I'm focused. Not even make me focus. Anyways, I'm gonna go and put my lash on and be right back to finish up the look with some lip. Okay guys, I am back. I've placed my excuse me, I've placed my other lash on. It looks wonky, I don't know why, but it looked funny, but whatever, I'm not going over anywhere. Okay, now it's time for lips. I'm going to use this brown pencil that I've had for hundreds and millions of years. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna use that to line my lip. Now I'm gonna go in with this Wet and Wild. In the shade anyways, and I must see shade now by how feel long may I be up this up. I'm putting that in the center of my lip.
What we do here is go back.
Oops. Let's get some more. Now I'm gonna let this dry down a little. Guys, I don't feel like putting on a wig, so yes guys, my phone died, but yeah, I put some lipstick on. I put this Wet n Wild lipstick on, and I lined my lip with this Wet n Wild thing. But yeah, this is how the look turned out. Turned out pretty good to me. Anyways guys, it's about to die again, so I was want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.